Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to download RingCentral app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download this app, go to the Play Store if you are Android user. And if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar and then type in RingCentral app. Now tap the install button. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. RingCentral is a cloud-based phone system that promises to deliver a secure, hosted phone and fax functionality over the internet for your company. You can work from anywhere with the RingCentral app. It's got everything you need to stay connected: team messaging, video meetings, and phone all in one app. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can see ratings and reviews as well. Once the app gets installed, you can open the app. To operate this app, you need to log in or sign in your account. So this is how you can quickly download RingCentral app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.